Ni hao, Jensen, Tai Tai. My name is Siti Nurasana. You can call me Siti. 41 years old, married. I have 2 children. I come from Lampung. I have experience in Saudi 2 years. From 2023 until 2025. In Malaysia, 1 year. From 2025 until 2026. My job, take care of children, 10 years old and 7 years old. In Malaysia, take care of baby 2 months. Showering, change clothes, change diapers, give milk, company to play, and company to sleep. Do general housework, sweep and mop, the floor, scrub toilet, clean and the window, vacuum, carpet and sofa, wash clothes, ironing and cooking. I can cook vegetable soup, chicken soup, chapchai, steamed fish, fried fish, and steamed egg. I want to work in overseas because I need money for in my family and children study. Now I am in the kitchen area. This is gas stove. This is coffee maker. Chopstick, bowl, plate, oil, paper, and this is garlic. Finish. See you. 再见。